have me always be like, that's glue. That's not so. Hey guys, and welcome to DIY with Jaden, and today I'm going to teach you guys 4 different ways to make slime, 2 with glue and 2 without glue. So let's get started. Now I'm going to stop showing my face more because I've been looking cringy in my videos and you know. And sorry for not posting my phone. Okay, the next slime, you're going to need glue and contact lens solution, but everything else but glue and contact lens solution is optional and you don't have to add it. The only thing you really need to make the slime is glue and contact lens solution. Like, you don't need coloring and all the other stuff.
Ignoring us, got 20,000 deep up in the street like we some warriors. My mama told me never bow your head. I feel glorious, glorious, got a chance to start again. I was born for this, it's who I am, never live again. I made it through the darkest part of the night, and now I see the sunrise. Now I feel glorious, glorious again. I was born for this, it's who I am, never live again. I made it through the darkest part of the night, and now I see the sunrise. Now I feel glorious, glorious. I feel glorious, glorious. I'm feeling glorious. The crib looking victorious. You know that we've been going it.
Okay, so my music was acting up, so I'm gonna just do a voiceover from here, and you've seen all of it. And I also recorded this and I was about to post it, and it said copyright, so I had to go over and do it. But right now I'm talking about how you guys say that the soap I use is glue when it's really not, or I put Stay Flow, and I'm trying to prove a point that is soap, and I'm gonna show you guys that by washing my hands with it like I just did. So first I'm gonna start by adding the soap into the container, and then I'm gonna add coloring, which is optional. I just added red, and mix it until it is good. After you mix it, you're gonna want to add a little bit of water, and I showed you guys that it's water and not a little thing or whatever you guys think it is, and just put it in the freezer for a little bit and then go around and mix it. You can put it in the freezer for about 4 to 5 minutes, and you need it until it is done.